Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. ScooterATVSales.com bringing you the Cougar 200 unboxing. I want to show you guys what it looks like when we unbox it. I did remove the top crate. You can see it's still on the base crate. This is what you can expect when we drop ship these to you nationwide. Now this is this one here. It is for the Scooter City Reno store in Reno, Nevada. This will be fully PDI'd, tested, and tuned, and ready to go for our customers here locally. Now, when we drop ship these to you, this is what you can expect. Again, there was a cage over it, a larger metal cage, and I've shown you guys in other videos what those boxes look like. You can check out the Commander 200. It is similar in size. And as you open it up, you start exposing all the different hardware, remove the wheels on it, and then get to the next step. It's a step-by-step, one stage after another. You want to take it slow. You want to go through. First, you want to remove all your hardware. We did remove the wheels, as you can see here. These are the wheels to the Cougar 200. This is the seat to it as well. And you do want to beat the tires to the recommended beating, as well as put the proper tire pressure in there once you're all done. And it starts from this, and then again, once you start removing all the parts and hardware, you want to have it laid out somewhere. We use a table over here. This is the rear rack to it. This is the hardware for the Cougar 200, as you can see. You want to make sure that everything is in order. You have all the parts in hand, and then you can start your assembly process. This here is to the fenders as well. This is the front bumper right here. This is a part of the face paneling on it. More hardware over here on this side for the plastics, and then these are the dust caps, as they call them here, for the wheels, once you have all the wheels on. And then you have the handlebar cushion over here, and then you have also the handlebar cushion wrap on it. So this is what you guys can expect when you set up an ATV. Again, when we drop ship these to you, again, we can drop ship one of these to you nationwide. This is what you can expect. You are responsible for the proper setup and assembly of all these ATV, scooters, whatever we ship you. This is why there is slight price difference, you guys. Generally, shipping is included. Always call before ordering from us. And hope all is well. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care.